Welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on key commodities. In today's video, we focus on the clove market, which has seen significant price movements recently. As of September 26, clove prices in major markets have continued to fall, with a further decline of 10 rupees per kilogram. Over the last 8 to 10 sessions, we've seen a total drop of 80 rupees to Rs 100 per kilogram. Let's take a closer look at the regional price trends. In Kottayam, clove prices range between 910 rupees and 920 rupees per kilogram, while in Shimoga, the rates stand slightly higher, between 930 rupees and 940 rupees per kilogram. Meanwhile, clove stems in Kottayam have increased by 2 rupees per kilogram, now priced at 137 rupees per kilogram. Looking at different origins of cloves, prices have remained stable after experiencing earlier declines this week. Lalpuri cloves are currently priced between 780 rupees and 800 rupees per kilogram. Comoros cloves are trading around 800 rupees to 820 rupees per kilogram. Madagascar cloves range from 800 rupees to 830 rupees per kilogram, while Sri Lanka cloves are at the higher end, priced between 820 rupees and 840 rupees per kilogram. One key factor influencing the market is the significant drop in clove imports. According to the Ministry of Commerce, the Excel data for July shows that imports totaled 1,083 metric tons, marking a 30% decrease. This drop is primarily due to a sharp decline in shipments from Madagascar, where imports fell by 43% year-on-year, totaling just 728 tons. These lower import volumes, combined with the recent price drops of 100 rupees per kilogram from their peak, have created an interesting dynamic in the market. We'll continue to monitor these trends closely and bring you timely updates. For advanced analysis on spices market, you can contact us for our paid services. That's all for today's analysis. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Money Guru for more in-depth market updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest commodity insights.